So today we are going to discuss the LeetCode problem number 167. The problem is two sums 2 input array is sorted. So we have given one index array. What is one index array? One index array means the array starts from the index starts from 1 instead of 0. Usually in computer science, the arrays are like start from 0 and then 1, 2. If the length of the array is 5, then the last element will be 4, the first element will be 0. Here, if the length of the array is 5, first element will be 1 and last element will be 5. And so these are array of integers, of numbers, that is already sorted in non-decreasing order, means it is in increasing order. Find the two numbers such that they add up to a specific target. So if, let's see, if the target is 9 and the numbers are given to 7, 11, 15. So here we know that 2 plus 7 makes 9. So we will return the result will be returning 1 and 2 because array is one base index. If it was not one base index, we will return 0 and 1. But here it is one base, so we will return 1 and 2. Suppose if the result is 13, so we will return 1 and 3. Suppose if the target is 18, we will return the array which will be the 2 and 3. If and suppose if target is 26, we will return 3 and 4. So and they also say additionally, let those two numbers, those indices, should be between 1 and length of the array. So return, we have to return the indices of two numbers added by 1 as an integer array of 2. So we have to return the first element and the second element that matches the target. The tests are generated such a way that there is exactly one solution. You may not use the same element twice. So if, let's say, if the target is 4, you cannot use 2 plus 2 and 2. That is not allowed. So you cannot use. If it is empty, you cannot have a total. The target matches, you have to return empty array. Here is the most important thing. Your solution must use only constant extra space. Here constant extra space means O of 1, which means space complexity is O of 1. You do not have to use any other data structures like tree, hash map, or any other thing. You have to use this only. So based on that, we have to find the right solution. So based on that, we have to find the right solution. And we have already worked the solution here. So I'm going to show you. So here, let's say 2 and 7. So we will use the two pointer solution. The one is brute force, but that will be too slow. So the most important solution will be we will start from the index two pointers, left and right, where left will be pointing to this index and this will be pointing to the last element, first and last. So the trick is basically the left element will go towards the right and right will go toward the left only in certain condition. Basically you will take the first element and last element, add them together. If the sum is the target, say here 15 plus 2 becomes 17 and what the target is 9. So the target is 9 and the sum is higher. So what we should do? The array is already sorted. So we will decrease the right pointer to the, we will move it to the left. So it will pointing to 11. Now we will do the same thing again. 2 plus 11, 13. What is the target? 9. No. So our left pointer hasn't moved. It is still on 2. But our right pointer we will move it to 7. Now 2 plus 7, 9. So we got 9 and we will return in this case result will be 1 and 2. Let's say if the same numbers is basically, let's say 2, 7, I'm keeping the same number, 11 and 15, just changing the target, and target is 13, right? So what we will do, so we will start with the 2 and 15. Okay, so 215 means what? What is the target? What is the sum? Is 17. So is 17 greater than target? Yes. So we will decrease the left pointer here. We will decrease the right pointer. I'm sorry. So 11 plus 2, 13. We got the sum. So here our result will should be, we will say, because we found 1 and 3. Okay, now let's see the numbers is equal to 2, 7, 11 and 15, and we want target is, let's say I want 18. 18. So what we will do here, we will start, the left will be 2 and right will be 15. So what we will do, we will add them together. Sum is what? 17. Is it greater than target? No, it is less than target. So we have to increase the left pointer here. So we will be coming at 7. We did not advance, we did not decrease the right pointer. So we are at 7 and 15. Right is pointing to 15. So 15 plus 7, what is the sum? 22. Is it higher than the target 18? Yeah, so we have to decrease it. So we will decrease it. The right pointer, left will remain the same. So left still points to 7 and right will point to 18. So the sum will be now 18. If it's equal, yay. So what we will do is return result. Array would be, we will return 2 and 3. So before you solve any problem, you need to really understand the problem, and you need to go through the various test cases like this. You need to visualize. Now let's see, understand this problem. We have a target 26. So first we will start 2 and 15. Right will be pointing to 15. Left will be 2. So it will be 17. Target is less. So we will advance the only the left pointer, so then we will do 7 and 15. So that will be 22. Target is, sum is still less, so we'll advance the left pointer, and now we will do the left and right, add them together. So it will be 26 equals 26. We will be returning result will be let's say 3 and 4. Now let's see another numbers. We'll set of numbers. Numbers will be equal to 2, 7, 11 and 15. And this time I want target 34, let's say. And so we will start with the left and right. So left, what is the total? Total of this 2 and 17, 2 and 15 is 17, which is less. So we will increase the left pointer. 7 and 15, so because the total sum is less than the target, we have to increase the left pointer. 22. Okay, is it matching? No. And now we have to increase the left pointer. Now 15 and 11 and 15, 26. Is it there? No. We will increase the left pointer. Now whenever left and right are equal, we did not find. So here we will return result is equal to empty array. Now based on that, I hope this is clear. So left pointer will be 0 and the right pointer so left pointer is 0 and right pointer is equal to length of the numbers minus 1. This is written in Python, but you can use any language for that matter. Then we will continue while left is less than right, or when it becomes equal, we will terminate. Current sum is equal to, now we will sum left and right like we said. Remember, 2 plus 15 we will add. So the same thing we are doing it, and check if sum matches, we will return the one base indices, here because here indices are based on 0 in computers. So in Python, Java, C++, so we have to add 1 to it to make it one base index. I hope that is clear. Else if sum is less than, then we will advance the left pointer. Otherwise, we will move the right pointer to the left, decrease. Otherwise, we will return empty array. When this, I hope this is clear. And I will also put the solution in the GitHub, and you can take a look at it. I am just going to run it, and I'm going to submit it, and then judging, let's say all submission accepted, bits 100%, 8 uh, milliseconds. This bits 100%, so we will analyze complexity. So this is the O of n solution, because we are going only into the one loop here. So it is O of n solution here. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.